So, like I said, I hope you remember about my mood cup that I showed you a few hours ago. Well, today we will be adding our own, very own stress kit in here. So in this cup, there will be a stress kit. This stress kit will have whatever you need if you are stressed. So gather some few stress relieving items. And if you don't have any, after I collect my items, I will be showing you how to make your very own, how to make 2 stress relieving items. Alright, I'm gonna go collect mine. Alright, I got all my stress relieving items. A bouncy ball, because I like to bounce balls. My mini poppet, because a big one won't fit in here. And some cloud slime. Alright, so I'm going to put these things into here. And so that's your stress relieving kit right there. But what if you don't have any stress relieving items? Worry no more. I got you. Today, we're going to be doing a fun art and craft. Peace out. I'm going to be right back with all the materials. See you later. Alright, I'm back with all of our 3 materials that we will need. Funnel, a balloon, and some cornstarch. Alright, so first we have to put the balloon through the funnel. Okay, so just put that on. Okay, now we're going to take some cornstarch and pour it in. Cornstarch and get a mixing spoon for this one. Alright, so I got a spoon and I will be putting it into our balloon. And I will fill it up. Alright, so I finished filling up the balloon with cornstarch. And as you can see, it's now a homemade stress ball. Ain't that amazing? Okay, so this was only craft 1. We still have to do craft 2. Alright, peace out. Gonna go get the materials and clean up this. It's probably a big mess. Ugh. Peace out. Alright, time for hack number 2. This hack is also with a balloon, but instead of cornstarch, it's sanitizer. So, got some sanitizer here. Going to fit this balloon over the sanitizer. Alright, and so now we are going to squeeze some sanitizer in. Make sure this thing is fit properly. Going to remove the cap off fully because it got stuck here. Okay, there. And I'm going to fill this balloon with sanitizer. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Make sure there are no holes in it, otherwise that will be a disaster. Squeeze a lot of your sanitizer, all of the sanitizer into this. And you have to keep on squeezing because the sanitizer you have to like squeeze it. Alright, so it's full. Time to put the cap back on. There. And get that remaining in. Get that remaining extras in. And time to tie it. Alright, so this is now tied. And now you can see we also have a second homemade stress ball. So now you have 2 or 1 stress balls. Just be careful they don't pop. Peace. Okay, so now time for the fun part. We're going to put all of our stress relieving items. We bring in our slime, my cute little puppet, and obviously my bounce ball. So right now we're going to put in the slime first. As you can see, the ball, the puppet, and the 2 stress balls. Ta-da! So now we have a stress relieving set inside of our mood cup. So as you can see, I now have very cool stress relieving items inside a cup. So now I have a stress set. Awesome! So this is the full mood cup. And so if I'm stressed, take out my puppet. Play with it. Or if I don't want to play with my puppet, I always have my stress balls. My liquid one. We don't need to, and just a reminder for the liquid one hack. Remember not to add too much. We need like a little space, otherwise it has more chances of bursting, and so that's not going to be good. And then this one, it really won't pop unless you obviously cut it or something. And the fun part is you can twist it and then just like mold with it. Like if you select small sections, and so you can play with your stress ball, or I have my bouncy ball. And so you have your own mood kit with your mood cup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this activity, and I hope you guys enjoyed making your mood cup in the last video. So before I end today's video, we're also going to add some details. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add my details. Like more details, because now we have our own mood kit. Alright? Peace. Alright, so I didn't add a lot. I just added that. It comes with your own mood kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity, and I hope to see you for my next activity. Peace out, guys. Bye. Peace out.